it's Jim. Who's going to fix his Buick? In the middle of West Coast Meet. On show day. Look at us. We're crazy.
I'm smiling, but only because in the middle of all this bad luck, we got the part, and we got Bobby here, so I feel pretty confident.
That's right. My first order of business is going to be drain the radiator. And I'm assuming I'm going to need to get the pliers out to do that. Because that's in there. All right, so got the belts loose.
I think the
Shrouds
mouth is
loose.
going to have to come off.
Yeah, I'm trying to avoid it, but we might be able to work some fingers crossed magic, you know?
I like to make it easy on myself.
I do too, but I don't like to undo.
If you have a clamp, I can always get another tower clamp later.
Yeah, I'm sure we've got clamps in the truck. And if I don't have the right size, I'll just walk over to Home Depot.
You think the tower clamp?
Right, so we got all of our bolts out except for one. But we're getting everything else off. Got to get that lower hose out of our way. Got to move this bracket just a little bit because I don't want to disturb that seal there. So we get to play snake our pump in and out. Because pulling this bracket is not fun.
The power steering bracket? Yeah.
Oh, the alternator bracket. Alright. Got the alternator bracket off. We moved our AC compressor out of the way. Air cleaner's off. Hoses are off. Water pump coming out. Alright, so new pump going on. Sealed. Silicone. Going together.
Well, I'm very lucky.
Come on. Gonna mock up the pump. And our new pump is all the way out here. It's open. So I was like, why aren't we getting any seal? So here is our issue. Alright, so you can see the differences. Notice this is the one that came off the car. This is the one from Napa. This one's for a 65. And Jimmy said this was from a 62.
I think it's a 62.
62 front cover on his 65. Well, note there's a difference with the water outlet. So we are in rut row.
Yeah.
So I'm going to see if we can hunt one down.
Okay.
And if not, then we're
Should I call
in
Napa
trouble.
back and see what they can do?
Yeah, let me get a part number. Let me see if it's different too.
Okay.
Anyway, 62 timing cover on a 65. So, yeah. So we got it apart, got ready to go. Jeffro and them are gonna haul it home. So we'll have 7.